Hi guys, just coming on to share my DT projects for this month, October. I'm going to take you outside and show you my bits that I've made. This is the paper pad that I was kindly sent with my DT pack. Lovely design, it's got all different patterns in it. I'll get on and I'll show you what I made, and hopefully you like them. If you want to buy any of the papers or that, these are the 13 arts. This is a Home Sweet Home. This is the 12x12 pad. They do the 6x6. They do stamps, stencils, whole range in this paper pad. So go over and check them out. That's crafty.co.uk, and I'll show you what I've made for the craft store. And these will be featured on the craft store channel, which you can go over to the craftstore.com and have a look, and they'll be on the 28th of October at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So yeah, very excited. So let's carry on and take a look. Well, hope you like those guys, and I very much enjoyed making them. I really like the way the paint palette come out. I really like that on the stand. And yeah, check out the craft store the 28th of October, and it'll be featuring 13 Arts, which this paper pad is. There's 4 of them, new 13 Arts 4 paper pads in the series. Go over and check them out. They've got vintage, they've got this is Home Sweet Home, they've got a vintage one back in time, and they've got 2 other ones as well. So take care guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Bye.